All right, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to use the sum function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. So hopefully you know what a sum is if you're watching this video. A sum is the total of all the different values that you want to add up together, okay? So for example, you could manually add all these numbers, or you could just use a sum function and do it quickly, all right? So let's suppose that this entire column of data, I want to sum it up. I select a cell below it, and up here I click auto sum, and it will automatically choose all the cells from the top to where my equation is, and I click enter, and that sums it up. Okay, I can do the same thing here. Select this cell, choose auto sum, and click enter, and it will sum it up. Another option for this is to click equals, then type sum, do a parentheses, select the range you want. Maybe you don't want to sum the entire list, so you go like that, boom. Or maybe equals, you want to sum, parentheses, some numbers that are in different columns like this, boom, end it with parentheses. You always have to end equations with a parentheses. Click enter, and it sums it up. That is how you use the sum function in Excel. If you found this useful, please check out my other Excel tutorials or subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.